Dongguan Habotest Instrument Technology Company Limited, established in 2018, is located in Qingxi Town, Dongguan City, the most beautiful town in China. It is an instrument technology innovation enterprise, integrating design and development, production, sales, and after-sales service, relying on the unique industrial advantages and economic foundation of the Pearl River Delta region. Benefit by a complete industrial chain. We will make unremitting efforts, working hard, and constantly improve our own strength, bringing together top R&D talents with more than 20 years of industry experience and the most cohesive elite management team. Habotest has 10,000 square meters of modern workshops and independent mold workshops, injection molding workshops, automated patch workshops, testing laboratories, multiple efficient production and assembly lines, etc., to assemble the world's most innovative instrumentation products. At the same time, it is equipped with more than 30 experienced top R&D teams, more than 20 excellent managers, and more than 160 skilled workers. Improve productivity and product quality through complete ERP information integration management in order to present more professional and innovative products to customers around the world and meet the growing market demand. Based on technological innovation, relying on the business philosophy of honesty and dedication to develop, we will bring together a team of high-end professional and technical personnel.
专注于客户的需求为我们的最高目标，以严谨认真的工作准则，不断提高产品创新力，从上至下秉持工匠精神，博思精作，创造世界级卓越仪器仪表产品。
Mainly engaged in R&D, production and sales, digital multimeters, digital clamp meters, digital megometers, grounding resistance testers, insulation resistance testers, environmental detectors, and other special testing instruments, and other more than 100 innovative products. Habotest is committed to the independent research and development of cutting-edge technology and core technologies, and always strictly follows the International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) and EU safety standards. Every key process, from raw materials to finished products, must undergo a full set of inspection by the testing department. In pursuit, the finished products have passed CE, RoHS, REACH, FCC, FDA, GS, ETL, and other international safety certifications, strictly implement 5S on-site management, and have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. In pursuit of innovation, it has successively obtained dozens of appearance, utility model, and invention patents at home and abroad. Habotest was awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise Certification in 2020, a national contract-abiding and credit-worthy enterprise, and a regulated enterprise with reliable product quality and good after-sales service. We also provide customers with professional ODM and OEM services and have won high praise from the majority of users and establish long-term cooperative relationship with many well-known enterprises in domestic and abroad. At present, Habotest has been exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, the European Union, Russia, India, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, etc., and has become a world-renowned instrument manufacturer. Strive to build a century-old brand with full of enthusiasm and feelings. All employees of Habotest have been adhering to the tenet of comprehensive innovation, excellent product, best service, first-class quality. Provide global customers with the most innovative and practical instrumentation products. In the days to come, Habotest will uphold the spirit of craftsmanship, pursue excellence in quality, and cooperate with customers to create a better future. Dongguan Habotest Instrument Technology Company Limited.
Multimeter.com. Make global trade easier.